Good morning, children. Okay, today we are going to see about weather and climate. Okay, all of you open page number 30. See, what do you see in this picture? Okay, in this picture, a news reporter, she is giving the weather report. Okay, in Sydney it is sunny. Okay, and in London it is rainy, and in New York it is partly cloudy. Like this, she is giving the weather forecast. If you have the habit of watching the news also, at the last of the news they will give the weather report. No, in Vijayawada it is sunny. Okay, and in East Godavari it is rainy. Like that, we are seeing the weather report. A TV reporter is presenting a forecast about several aspects of weather such as temperature, cloudiness, humidity. Humidity means water vapor in the air. Showers, whether a storm is like in the next few days. This is the weather forecast. Okay, what is the temperature and whether it is cloudy or sunny or rainy. Okay, whether it are partly cloudy. Okay, or if there is a storm in within the few days. These all aspects so we can see in the weather forecast. Okay, why do these changes happen? See, the sun heats up the atmosphere and the ocean. All we know, due to the sun heat, air in the air around the earth also will become heat, and the water in the water bodies also will be heated. But the heating effect is not even due to the movement of the earth. This heating effect is not by the movement of the earth. Okay, earth moved valla ee heating effect anedi ledu due to the sun. As a result, air currents and ocean currents are formed. Okay, because of the heat, because of the heat in the air and heat of the water, air currents and ocean currents will occur. Air around the earth is getting heat, and water in the water bodies also is getting heat. So air currents and ocean currents will occur. These changes keep the atmosphere and oceans in constant motion. Okay, due to that air currents and ocean currents, atmosphere also will be in continuous motion. That means air also will be in continuous motion, and water in the water bodies also will be in continuous motion, and their interactions play a critical role in shaping the weather and climate. The interaction between air and water, okay, will also play a role in shaping the weather and climate. Okay, due to the interaction between the air and water, there will be change in the climate and weather. Okay, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the state of atmosphere at any given time and place. That means what is the condition of the atmosphere, okay, in that particular place, in that given time. Okay, that is called the weather. The condition of the atmosphere, okay, is called the weather. It is the mix of events that happens each day in the atmosphere. That means now it is sunny. Within few hours it may rain. Okay, that means there are several events in a day. Several events will occur in the atmosphere in a day at a place. The state of atmosphere at a given place may not be stable even during the same day. In the same day, it will not be completely sunny or completely cloudy or completely rainy. Okay, the events will change. Events in the atmosphere will change in a same day. It may change within few hours. Within few hours, it will change. Okay. Weather means the condition of the atmosphere. Weather means condition of the atmosphere in a given time at a given place. Okay, it will not be same in a day. In a particular region, in a particular day, the condition of the atmosphere may not be the same. Suddenly it will rain, suddenly it will become sunny, suddenly it will become cloudy. Okay, like that, so many changes will occur in the atmosphere in a same day. It may change within few hours. Within few hours, atmosphere condition will change. Next, what is climate? Climate is the general weather pattern of a place for over many years. Okay, climate means weather pattern. Pattern means regularly occurring weather. Okay, regularly occurring weather for over many years. That means from many years the period of occurring weather condition. Okay, weather pattern means it will occur weather how it will be regularly for a period of time. Is called the climate. At a given place for a period of time, whether the regularity in the weather is called the climate. It gives the overall picture of the weather in a particular region for a certain period, that means seasons or for years altogether. From many years, seasons are occurring periodically, no? Regularly they are occurring. Okay, that is called the climate. It gives the overall picture of the weather in a particular region for a certain time period. In a particular season, how will be the weather? Okay, in this year, weather pattern means it will occur regularly. That seasons are occurring regularly. In that particular season, how will be the weather? That is called the climate. See here some weather conditions: sunny, only clouds are there, cloudy, rainy, and lightnings are occurring from the clouds. That means thunders. Snow is falling from the clouds, so it is snowy. Sun is there, clouds is there, so it is partly cloudy. Due to the air, it is moving, so it is windy. And this is the symbol of cyclone. Okay. Climate means what you expect. Weather means what you get. Climate means we are expecting in this season only sunny, okay, and in the summer season it will be only very hot, it is sunny, and in the rainy season only rains. We are expecting, that is called climate. But what we are getting, even though it is winter season, we are getting rains. So that is the weather. Climate means what we expect, and weather means what we are getting. Okay. Identify the three main seasons in India from these pictures. Okay, the children are playing in the rain with umbrella, no? So it is rainy season. That boy is sweating in the sun. So it is summer season. They are protecting them from cold by sitting near the fire and by wearing sweaters. So it is winter season. Some areas of our country are near the coast, while some are in the mountains. Okay, in our country, some areas are near the coast. Coast means land near the water bodies is called the coast. Land near the sea is called the coast. While some are in the mountains. Some areas are in the mountains. Some places are very hot and some are very cold. Okay, in our country, some places are very hot and some places are very cold. Despite this varied climate, the whole country experiences the same cycle of seasons. Okay, even though there are various climates, like somewhere hot, somewhere cold, but we are experiencing a same cycle of seasons, like summer season from March to June, and a rainy season from July to October, and the winter season from November to February. With some variations, even though there are different climatic conditions, we are experiencing the same cycle of seasons. Summer from March to June, and rainy season from July to October, and winter season from November to February. With some variations, we all are experiencing these three seasons. Traditionally, Indians follow 6 seasons. Okay, they are called as Rutus. In a year, there are 6 seasons. Each season lasts for about 2 months. Each season is about 2 months. What are the Rutus? Spring, in Telugu, Vasanta Rutu, summer, Grishma, monsoon, Varsha Rutu, Atman, Sharad Rutu, and fall, Hemant, winter, Sisir. Traditionally, Indians are following 6 months. Okay, in Telugu they are called as Rutus. Okay, each month is about 2 months. Sorry, each ritu is about 2 months. Okay, what are the ritus? Sharad, spring ritu, vasantam, and summer grishma ritu, monsoon varsha ritu, and atman sharad ritu, fall hemant ritu, and winter sisir ritu. Okay, thank you. See, why are the extreme climate changes taking place these days? Okay, scientists have been warning that world's climate is changing a lot due to the direct and indirect actions of human beings and their intervention in nature. See, because of the humans' actions, they are polluting. Okay, because of the human actions interfering with the nature, world's climate is changing. Okay, we are polluting, we are using many vehicles, we are using many electric appliances. Okay, harmful gases are releasing, we are polluting the air, polluting the water, polluting the land. Okay, because of the humans direct and indirect actions, world's climate is changing. The main reason for this change is global warming. Okay, the main reason why world's climate is changing means because of the global warming. What is global warming? See, we are getting getting the heat from the sun. Okay, so due to the sun heat, the air around the atmosphere also will become heat. Okay, there are some greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. What are those? Carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, okay, and methane. These greenhouse gases trap the heat from the sun. Okay, there are some greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. What they will do? They will hold the heat coming from the sun. Okay, here sun rays are falling on the earth. Again they are going to the space. Okay, that heat is going to the escaping into the space. Okay, but some of the heat is trapped by greenhouse gases. Okay, that warmness is very essential for the living things on the earth. Okay, that is called the natural global warming. See here, when the sun heats the earth, the greenhouse gases of the earth such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane retain some of the heat on the earth's surface. This is called the greenhouse effect. Okay, without this natural greenhouse effect, there would not be warm enough to humans to live. Okay, without this warmness, the humans on the earth may not survive. This warming is known as the natural global warming. We are getting the sun is giving heat to the earth. Okay, we are getting the heat from the earth is getting the heat from the sun. Okay, again that heat will escape into the space, but there are some greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Okay, what are those? Carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide and methane. They will hold the heat. Okay, without they will not allow to escape the heat coming from the sun. They will hold some of the heat coming from the sun, so that will become warm. That warmness is essential for the humans on the earth to live. Okay, that is called the greenhouse. They are holding the heat. No, the greenhouse gases are trapping the heat coming from the sun. That is called the greenhouse effect. And that earth is becoming warm. No, that warmness is very essential for the humans to live on the earth. That is called the natural global warming. Okay, all the things that make us comfortable have contributed immensely to the increase in the emission of greenhouse gases. Nowadays, so many inventions, no, so many electric AC, fridge, okay, all vehicles. Okay, they are releasing so many greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. They are releasing the gases, greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. From the vehicles we are getting carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So number of greenhouse gases are increasing. Okay, these gases in the atmosphere have trapped more heat on the earth's surface. So okay, so many greenhouse gases percentage is increasing in the atmosphere. So heat, trapping of heat also will increasing. Okay, so that greenhouse gases making the earth's surface warmer and warmer. This is called the enhanced global warming. Enhanced means increased global warming. Okay, because of the we are with the vehicles, with the electric appliances, by the industry, so many harmful gases are released. Greenhouse gases are increasing into the atmosphere. The percentage of the greenhouse gases are increased in the atmosphere. So trapping of the heat also is increased. So that is becoming hotter and hotter. The surface is becoming hotter and hotter. So we are experiencing more heat in the summer. Okay, that is called the increased global warming, enhanced global warming. This results in rising seawater levels due to the melting of icy regions and mountain tops across the world. Okay, due to that heatness, what happens? Mountain tops, okay, and ice, okay, icy regions also will melt. So water level in the sea will increase. Okay, this increased this in turn causes floods and massive destruction of low-lying areas. When the water level in the sea increases, okay, floods are occurring. Okay, and low-lying areas are being destructed, damaged. Hence, the weather also becomes more extremes, be it droughts or violent storms or heavy rains. Okay, so weather is becoming more extreme, and being it droughts or violent storms or heavy rains. Okay, due to the heavy rains, violent storms, okay, and droughts, because of this the weather also becoming more extreme. Okay, thank you.